Hello everybody, this is my granddad's channel. Sorry about this. I'm really bad at filming. I will play in a minute. So we're going to be checking this new app I got. I've completed like a few of the levels, but I'm going to test it out anyway. It's called Blaze. So yeah, if you want to download that, you're amazing. Sorry. Okay, we can't have that. We don't have enough storage. So we need to find something to actually do. I mean, we couldn't beat sushi roll. Yes, girl. Except the screen glitches. It's because I have like an old iPad. Okay. Oh, I got some monthly income. Yay! So you have to remove the knife. Remove the knife. That's really satisfying, actually. So you gotta like follow the lines, and it gives you like a rating. Okay. Okay. Ooh. So we gotta like grade it. That's cool. Okay, so now we're good next. Yay! Hey, let's try again. Sorry about that. I have a lot of ads. We will review that next in the next video. Should be on my channel, Get Your Killer. Sorry, I'm new. Well, this is my granddad's channel. Okay, we're back. I don't want to unlock that level because I don't want to watch another ad. Okay, sushi! Yay! So I think you just... Sorry about that. It's a bit glitchy, but It's alright. You want the split. Oh, do we get a grater? Pickle on sushi. Let me know in the comments if you have that. If I can name to the comments on. Okay, done. Okay, they didn't like. They didn't like they didn't like that. They didn't like that, and they didn't like that. So I'm a bit sad, but. Okay, so yeah. So anyway, I'm bye. So next time in a video on Gacha Kayla 04, we're going to be reviewing an app on this channel. We're going to be reviewing an app called I think like which app should we do? We should we'll do Fat Pusher, okay? Bye guys, I'm gonna go edit like something into this.